Hey there buddy, my name is John, your friend who's always on a budget. In this channel, we will try to create extraordinary things using the cheapest methods and supplies as possible. So stick around if you wanted to know how I created this, and before anything else, I just want you to subscribe to this channel if you want it to look like Thor. And you can click that bell icon to be notified if I upload new content every day. I'm happy living my life and I hope you're happy living your life as well. So without further ado, without more introductions, let's just dive in.
Drop it.
Hello beautiful individuals on earth. Hi, how are you doing? How are you all doing? Did you drink coffee? Okay, so I'm drawing the cheekbones and I'm drawing the underbug, just, throwing up some shadows, and yeah, my cute bunny ear, just take a look at that, it's really cute. I just ripped off my sister's stuffed toy to have this blending thing. I'm using brown to darken shadows. I really wanted my drawing to have contrast and really have this dark things. I don't have that darkish brown, but I kinda use it at its fullest, mama. I blended, I really pushed it so hard that I almost ripped off the entire paper. So I'm using orange, and what am I drawing? So I have a school project which is explain the difference and similarities of city and province through drawing. So there's a lot of options to use. So I just use drawing because I kind of like drawing. I'm not good at it, but I like drawing. It's my stress reliever. It's everything that I do when I'm not doing anything. It's sort of like my hobby, and I like drawing. So I'm just sharing some things. So I'm just using yellow to just brighten it up a bit and not making it look sloppy. Oh my god, I used my bunny ear again. So I'm just using red. Why am I using red? Sometimes I'm really confused about my decisions in life and how I ended up, and I regret a lot of things that I've done, including this red. Okay, so I'm done. I'm done drawing the eyeballs. I just put it blue. I just love the color blue that contrasts with the skin tone. Okay, so I'm doing the body. I'm using brown to color it up. I kinda used to color it first and then blend it, and then I brushed it. I don't know what am I thinking. The brush is really making my drawing more sloppy. Why am I using it? So in blending, I used cotton buds and my bunny ear and my finger to blend, because this oil pastel is the creamiest oil pastel of all. I'm not good to use it. I'm not proficient in using it because I just bought it and it's my first time using it. So it's really creamy. So I think, yeah, because it's a brand new medium for me. It's a new medium for me. I'm not got used to draw with moist and creamy oil pastels, because in my whole life I use this dry oil pastels to draw, and it's really I'm not really proficient in using that creamy one, so I'm kind of learning. So it's my first drawing, so please don't bash me for making this but I think it turned out really well. The skin tone is great. I liked it. So I just cleaned my table and just removed things because I'm a messy person. I really don't like cleaning. I cleaned my room. I cleaned everything. I just don't got used to get my tools when I'm drawing, because I kind of like my drawing station to be messy, because it really maybe shows that I am working and I am persevering. So I'm drawing the flowers, and I think I have to skip to that one because that's the most boring part of all. So I'm just gonna make red and I'm gonna skip it to that. Okay, so yeah, I skipped it and I just draw the leaves. It contrasts very well, and yes, work. Y'all, I'm finished drawing the flowers, so I just Oh my god, sorry for my chickens because my chickens are really noisy and I'm gonna kill them all tonight. They're my neighbor's chickens, they're not mine, but I'm gonna kill them all. Okay, so I'm using orange. Oh my god, why am I talking to the chickens? Why am I talking about the chickens when I'm supposed to talk about my drawing, you know? It doesn't make sense. But yeah, I'm drawing the dress. I'm drawing it yellow because in province we're not really wearing something fancy because we're not going out every second. And there's like the people here, it's not really populated, so the people are not that many. And why would we have to dress up, you know? We always dress up when there's a celebration or that we will gonna travel to some places, you know. But if not, if we're in our house, we just wear the most comfortable clothes that we are like we're wearing, like we're supposed to wear in our house. It's not that fancy. So I'm done with the left side, so I'm just trying to draw the right side, the face. And in the city, like, they're really fashionable. They always dress up every day because maybe there's a lot of people and they just want to dress up because they don't want to embarrass themselves, you know. And there's a lot of malls, you know. I just draw the buildings at the background, the cars. Like when we talk about the city, we will talk about how the innovation is. Like it innovates really well. Like the factories are there, the buildings, the cars are everywhere, the noises are everywhere. I also draw the planes and the boats, the ships. Is it a boat or ship? It's too big to be a boat, so it's a ship. And the plane. I just draw stripes. I don't know what my decision in life is, but yeah, I just think that my decisions really make me who I am. I'm so clumsy and I'm like I really often like do some shits that I really regret, but it's part of life. So yeah, why am I talking about that? So hearts. So since we're drawing about the similarities and contrast of things of two different places, their similarities are love. Like we can find love in any places. We can find love in province or in city. There are places where love is like the birth of love is, you know. Every place has love, so that's their similarities. So I'm done drawing the fashion. I also draw headphones on that, but I'm not really like sure of why I draw that. You know, instead of flowers, I draw headphones because they're really advanced. Like they're trendy. All the trends that came out, they really like bought it because they're the first who can bought it because it's really accessible for them. But for the province, we have to travel. Oh, I'm done. I really forgot to film it. I really thought that I'm filming, but I'm not. So I'm sorry for that. But I'm just drawing the left side. So the left side trees, the environment, and like the river, the sunset. Is it a river or a sea? It's an ocean. I'm not really making shadows that fancy. I'm just sort of like trying my oil pastel and making it like, oh my god, my bunny ear is so messy. I will just not let it I just want to just let it sit there for years and years. My chickens are really noisy and it annoyed me so much. Okay, so I'm drawing the brown. The brown is really there. Yeah, I just used it to color the trees, and I really decided to put shadows on it, but I really realized that it's not really like the previous oil pastel that I used where I can put shadows, because that oil pastel is really creamy and I'm really confused why I'm buying it. But I guess it's fine. I mean, it's my first time using and it turned out pretty not that bad, but it's not good. It's not that bad. So you can see it's very chunky. The pigment is really there, and okay, I'm using brown. I want to blend it. I want to color the veins and the root. The veins? What am I supposed to mean? I don't know. I'm just talking shit to my voiceover so that I can finish it. Okay. I just decided to remove that light thing and move into brown. So the sunflower at the background is really good, but I messed up. As you can see, like, wait. I put brown. Okay, at the center I put brown, and then I used black, and I really am trying my best to cover it up, but it's still there, and it's not like it's not it's not like it's not working. So I just decided to cut it out and make sure. Okay, there you go. Make sure that I remove the black. So the green at the background is really like it's nature. Like when you will visit province, all you can see is trees and rivers and like this fresh environment. There's air, the breeze, and it's really like good. You know, I really not regret why I was born in the province, because it's really fresh. It's an environment where I can breathe fresh air and not be polluted by it. You know. Because I'm drawing the sky, so at my first decision, I really wanted to make like to separate them into two different kind of like time. But if my teacher will interpret it as the difference between city and rural are the time. What are you dumb? You bitch. Why am I so dumb? You know. So I don't want my teacher to tell me that I'm dumb. So I just decided to why not making the sky look so similar, so that I can tell that the time is really the same. It's one of the same. One of the categories where rural and urban like have similarities. Like the similarities is time. So I'm just doing the time. My chickens are so shady. I'm almost finished, chickens. Wait for my revenge. My revenge is near. Okay, so I'm coloring the river, the ocean. So I'm using the same color that I used at the sky, because girl, the reflection. Just have to value the reflection. The sun isn't really visible, but I draw the sun. I know that it's hard to like see, but I just draw it. I finished it with green. I'm using my colored pencil. Chickens, I'm gonna kill you right now. Okay. Oh my god. I'm just coloring the parts and yeah, the stone, like the boat. I added smoke to the boats, the ship, and blackened the stone. Put some white on the hair and just like making highlights. And I'm not blending it right now, but I'm gonna blend it and wait for the reveal. Bam. Oh, hey there. Beautiful. That's it, I guess. Thanks for watching. Please click subscribe and that bell icon below to get notified if I upload something. And just give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed watching. See you on the next video.